Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to change the time through RTC. This function needs RTC hardware support. Let's look the demo first. Now modified through the RTC setting. By using UART instructions, the content is mainly about RTC. RTC setting. The time can be modified through the RTC setting or using UART instructions. Method 1 is send instruction. We will use this software. Here we give examples and related meanings for your reference. Method 2 is input through the interface keyboard. RTC rewriting occupies for addresses. .0x009C write 5 of 5. The key value is returned. The high and low bytes of 009D correspond to the year and month. The high and low bytes of 009E correspond to the day and hour. The high and low bytes of 009F correspond to the minutes and seconds. Next, the second method in related parameter settings are mainly introduced. Text control RTC display. This part is coordinates of the upper left corner of the display area, display width and height. SP number can be set by default. Font color I set black. Font ID I set 0. Adjust font size I set 24. You can set date format. Here are some common formats for your reference. Return key code. Add it to the change button. Coordinate can be set by default. Set button effect and page switching. Key value and VP number. 009C write 5 of 5. The key value is returned. So the address is set to 009C, and the key value set to 505. Variable data input. Coordinate can be set by default. The display effect of pressing the touch area, here, can be set by default. VP number and variable type. Refer to this content for setting. Because the variable type we choose high and low byte. Integer digits we set to. Decimal digits we don't need set. Set show location I set here. Color I set black. Font ID I set 0. Font size I set 20. Cursor color set white. Display method choose direct display. Keyboard setting. Select the page where the keyboard is located. Choose keyboard area. Set show location. You can set background transparency. Keep the rest of the parameters as default. Data variables display. Coordinate can be set by default. SP number we don't need set. VP number must set same as variable data input. Color I set black. Font size set 20. Alignment I choose center. Variable type and integer digits should be same as variable data input. Finally, we need to set the keyboard through the basic touch module. This part can be set by default. The display effect of pressing the touch area, here, can be set by default. Key value. You need to set the key values according to your needs. Next, let me give you a demonstration. Open DGUS software. Click New, create a new project. Choose the resolution same as the screen. Select File Path. Add background image. Then generate ICO file. Click Welcome Interface. Choose ICO Generate. Select background picture. Generate ICL. Save it in DWIN SCT file. Named it 32. Go back. Add RTC display. SP number we don't need set. Font color I set black. We need to generate font 0 library. Open Welcome Interface. Click 0 Bank Generating. Click Create. Find the file we generated and put it in the DWIN set folder. Font size I set 24. Set date format. I delete the week. Adjust the order. Add return key code. The address is set to 009C, and the key value set to 505. Add variable data input. The address of the adjustment year is 009D. So VP number set 009D. High byte changes year. Variable type choose high byte. Integer digits set 2. Set show location. Color I set black. Font ID set 0. Font size set 20. Display method choose direct display. Keyboard location choose current page. Choose keyboard area. Show location set same as keyboard area. Set parameters after copying the control. The address of the adjustment year is 009D. Low byte changes month. Set VP number. Variable type choose low byte. (009E) correspond to the day and hour. High byte changes the day. Low byte changes the hour. (009F) correspond to the minutes and seconds. High byte changes minutes. Low byte changes seconds. Add data variables display. VP number must set same as variable data input. Color I set black. Font size set 20. Alignment I choose center. Variable type and integer digits should be Same as variable data input. Set parameters after copying the control. The setting method is the same as above. Finally, we need to set the keyboard through the basic touch module. You need to set the key values according to value of number. Settings are done. Click Save and Generate. Finally, you need to save the files in the DWIN set folder to the SD card and burn them to the display. Refer to the beginning of the video for the final effect.